Hello friends! Is your car's AC system behaving strangely? Maybe the cooling isn't consistent, or the compressor keeps cycling on and off? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0539, it means there's an issue with the AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit intermittent. Ignoring this can lead to poor cooling, erratic AC performance, and even potential compressor damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0539 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0539 code stands for AC Evaporator Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the engine control module, ECM, is receiving an unstable or inconsistent voltage signal from the evaporator temperature sensor. This sensor monitors the temperature of the evaporator core to prevent freezing and regulate cooling efficiency. Common symptoms of P0539: AC not cooling properly or blowing warm air, AC compressor cycling on and off too frequently, check engine light or AC system, warning light on AC system making unusual noises, fluctuating or erratic cooling performance. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0539, check these key components. AC evaporator temperature sensor. Location: inside the HVAC unit, near or inside the evaporator core, usually behind the dashboard. AC compressor and clutch. Location: front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt. HVAC Control Module. Location: behind the dashboard, controls the climate system. Wiring, harness and connectors. Location: runs from the evaporator sensor to the ECM and HVAC module. Tip: a failing evaporator sensor can cause irregular cooling cycles, reducing overall AC efficiency. Common causes of P0539. 1. Faulty AC evaporator temperature sensor. The sensor may be malfunctioning, sending inconsistent signals. 2. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or frayed wires can create intermittent signals. 3. HVAC control module failure. A defective control module may misinterpret sensor data. 4. ECM communication problems. An issue in the ECM or software glitch can cause erratic readings. 5. Moisture or corrosion. Water damage in the HVAC system can impact sensor performance. How to fix P0539. Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0539 code. Step 2. Locate the evaporator temperature sensor inside the HVAC unit. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors for loose or damaged connections. Step 4. Test the sensor using a multimeter. If the readings fluctuate excessively, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the HVAC control module for any software updates or malfunctions. Step 6. Look for moisture or corrosion around sensor connections. Step 7. Clear the code and test the AC system to ensure proper function. Final words. Ignoring P0539 can lead to AC performance issues, increased cabin humidity, and potential damage to AC components. Fixing it early will keep your car's cooling system running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0328, NOx sensor circuit high input. P0329, NOx sensor circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.